House Design Rescue. I'm Ava.
And I'm Arlene. We're interior designers from A&A DESIGn FIRM.
And today we're going to be talking to you about kitchen
Kitchens.
remodeling, which is the most awesome room in the entire house, of course, right? That's what everyone loves. They love to cook, they love to eat, they love to just, I guess,
hang out,
socialize in the kitchen. So kitchen is very important. And the biggest appliance in the kitchen is the refrigerator.
So it's really important where we place the refrigerator, right? So our best tip for this is put it on the corner of your kitchen.
On the outer edge of your kitchen. Because the refrigerator is such a big appliance that it does take up a lot of room. So it seems odd when you have it in the middle of your kitchen. So if you can push it off to the side, then at least you're kind of saving more room for other things.
And then if you can, on the other side of the refrigerator, some sort of counter space, because I think it's much easier to take food in and out of the refrigerator or freezer when there is some place you can put the food.
Right.
So that would be very useful. And I think another useful spot for especially a small kitchen is lighting. Lighting underneath the cabinet is
We love
so
lighting,
important.
yes. And anything that would maybe make that kitchen seem bigger, and a lighter color in paint, and also the lighting underneath the cabinet. Anything that seems a little bit dark, lighten it. It just seems brighter.
And more area. And lighting underneath the cabinet is so easy. You can buy it anywhere, and you can just plug in. You don't even need to hardwire it.
Well, those are probably the most cost effective. Plug-in ones that you can buy, I think, at Home Depot. And then another tip would be, since this is a small kitchen, and we're running out of space in the cabinets for maybe put your pots and pans. Another option is to get these beautiful stainless steel fixtures that you can put on the ceiling, and you can hang your pots and pan on it. And I think it makes the kitchen more usable.
I love it, actually. I have it in my kitchen, and so easy to use. You take a pot, stir whatever you need. It's like
a professional chef.
It's like right above you.
So that is a very useful, I guess, fixture to have in a small kitchen. Another thing is also the nooks. In the kitchen. In the older house, there are a lot of kitchens that comes with these little areas for nooks. And if you can extend your countertop up to that and use that part of the countertop as your nook, then that way you can use it for your kitchen as well as for your little sitting area for breakfast.
Yeah, because not only will that help give you more counter space if you do extend it out, it also provides space underneath the countertop where you can actually do more drawers and more cabinets.
And we're just trying to expand your kitchen as much as possible without doing too much construction, because that starts costing money, because when you start taking down walls and you have electrical and plumbing and all that stuff. So these are some really easy tips that you can do, and it won't cost that much, and it won't be that much time to do, but it would make a big difference.
Oh, it would be a huge difference. I mean, you will see. So these are our tips. So thank you so much for watching.
And if you have any questions or comments, please make them below. We'll love to answer them for you.
And follow us on Instagram at A&A DESIGN FIRM.
Until next time.
Bye-bye.